Because of this work from home model, a lot of people are complaining about extended working hours, and I'm one of them. Of late, I realized that power is in my hands to utilize my time and get organized so that I don't get stretched beyond a certain point. There are 3-4 things that I have done which I would like to share with you. But before I do that, I will request you to subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already, and also press the bell icon. It will help you get notified as soon as I post any new video. So I'm going to share 3-4 things today which will help you organize better and eventually help you get more work done in less time. So the first is turn off all the notifications. If you are using a lot of mobile apps or apps on your computer, turn off as many notifications as possible. Those are nothing but distractions. Okay? In the pre-COVID world, when we used to work in office and somebody used to come to your desk, that was a distraction because that was an uninvited guest on your desk. Somebody calling you for an ad hoc chai or ad hoc break was a distraction if you were really engrossed in your work. Today, those distractions are not there. Maybe they are in the form of a phone call or a notification on your mobile app. So first thing, get control on the notifications. Turn them off as much as possible. Keep only those on which are extremely urgent and important for you. Next is how to manage your Outlook calendar. Most important is to block certain time for yourself. On a weekly basis or on a daily basis, block a certain portion of time on your calendar so that nobody can send you a meeting invite at that particular time. That is your time when you are at your best and you can get a lot of work done. So you don't want to attend any calls at that particular time in the afternoon, let's say, block it so that nobody will be able to send you invites. Another thing related to meetings is before you get into the meetings, know what is the agenda and also know what is expected out of you. A lot of times we get into meetings which are 30 minutes to 1 hour, but we hardly have to spend 5 or 10 minutes in that particular meeting and contribute. So if you know the structure of the meeting, if you know the agenda, if you know what is required out of you, you can quickly know when to quit that meeting. Okay, and people won't mind as long as you have done your bit. When we are talking about meetings, one important thing is that it is absolutely okay to drop off from a call when the time is over. Most times the meeting gets stretched beyond a particular set time. If it is a 30 minutes meeting and if it is already 35 minutes, it is completely okay to drop off from that meeting by politely saying that you have another meeting or you have another task to attend. Also, make sure that you don't readily agree to do meetings which are not in your time zone. Okay, except for client meetings or meetings which are important. Let's say meeting with the leadership team once in a while is fine. But if somebody sends you regular meeting invites which are outside your working hours, like 8 a.m. in the morning or 8 p.m. in the evening, which is your dinner time, it is completely okay to say no. Okay, but be polite and propose another time or propose another method of getting the work done. We have spoken about notifications, we have spoken about Outlook, meetings, and how to organize ourselves in those meetings. The last important thing is the ad hoc calls. Thanks to tools or applications like Microsoft Teams, now anybody can add you to meetings randomly or call you at any random time. Believe me, it is completely okay to not join those calls unless you know that, okay, my boss is calling or a very important person is calling and you're expecting that call. Then you can select or choose to join that call. But otherwise, random meetings where you're getting added, where you are not invited in the first place, it is completely okay to say no. It is completely okay to say you are busy. Okay, it is completely okay to send them a message and say that you will be available at a certain point in time later. Because these are new age distractions. People will never value your time unless you value your time first. So these are some things I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you found this helpful. I leave you with a couple of more videos. Have a look at them. Thanks for joining. Bye for now.